Hey YouTube, what's going on? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways that you can change your network name on your Windows computer. I am running Windows 10. However, I believe this will work on Windows 8.1, 8, as well as 7, I believe. I can't verify that. I'm not going to set up virtual machines to verify that, but I believe it should be the same process. I know for sure it's the same process on Windows 8, 8.1 as it is 10. Windows 7 I believe should be the same anyways. So let's go ahead and we'll move over to the computer. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll start with method 1 out of 2. There's two different methods. We're going to start with method 1, which some people may not feel comfortable doing this because you're going into the registry changing it. That's why I have a backup of my registry. I did it beforehand because sometimes it may take a minute or two, so I went ahead and did that already so that I can skip that step in this video. However, I do strongly recommend backing it up. And please note that if you use method 1 and you screw up your computer, that isn't no one's fault but your own for following this method. If you don't feel comfortable with this method, stay tuned for method 2 because it's a lot easier, a lot safer, and you're not really going to screw it up. I will put it, you can just forward through to method 2. So go ahead, go to search, whatever, search regedit. Now you want to go to HKey local machine, software, scroll down to Microsoft. You want to come down near the bottom of the list, go to Windows, you want Windows NT, current version, you want network list, and profiles. So this being an old profile, we can get rid of that. And you see profile name, modify, you can name it whatever you want. So like here you can see it says network. So I can go with, we'll call it YouTube demo. And what you have to do is obviously give it some time. Sometimes you might have to refresh your machine. Right there, YouTube demo. Here it might take a minute. Sometimes you have to refresh your machine for it to take effect there. So that is method 1. So what we can do is I'll go ahead, I'll just put a quick cut in the video, and then what I'll do is I'll show you, come back and show you how to do method 2. Welcome back to method 2. This method doesn't require going into the registry and making any changes. So what we can do is we can go down to search, and you can search for secpool.msc, click it, okay, whatever, and what we'll do is we'll make this a little bit bigger, and then you'll go down to network, list, manager, profiles. Or no, policies, and then you'll see network here, properties, name, and I'm going to call it CTV network. And you can configure location type private if you want, hit apply, OK. Now you go here, changed yet. Okay, so what I'm going to recommend you do... Oh, there we have it. Just give it a minute. So now you can see here, it's CTV network, and it is a private network. It was private before, but sometimes I find on my machine, it switches over to like public, which I don't want. So now you can see that it's successfully switched. So now you have successfully changed your network name from just a plain like network 1 or whatever over to whatever you want. So that will be the end. This is method 2, so I've shown you method 1, method 2. So I hope that helped you with whatever you were looking to do. So I hope this has helped. If it did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, as well as head on over to my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter and follow me on those. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.